Hi, this is Imran Qureshi. I'm artist from Lahore, Pakistan, and title of my installation for the Islamic Art Biennale is Zubaida's Trail Between Sacred Cities. So I was born in Hyderabad, Pakistan in 1972, and then I came to study art in 1990 to Lahore. The city of Lahore is always a big inspiration for me. Its cultural heritage, its history, what is happening right now, and how the other cultures are intervening within the setup of Lahore is always interesting for me, as well as talking about socio-political issues in my art practice. I was always interested into two opposite things in my art form. So the technique is very traditional, very much connected with the historic technique of miniature painting, but the subject matter and the way I am dealing with this traditional art form is totally new. This work which you are looking at is also a new medium for me, where I used some Pakistani weavers. It's a traditional way of weaving the beds in Pakistan, which is vanishing in this age of digital technology, AI, and other development. So people are just slowly forgetting these traditions, which were very common when I was a child. And I wanted to bring them back as my art practice, because I strongly feel that these craft and traditional art forms has always and can always play important role in our life. No matter how far we go with the science or technology. The work is presented between the Mecca Pavilion and Medina Pavilion, and as a symbolic representation of oasis or a stopover between two cities where people can come, interact, rest. So I decided to transform this space by weaving this beautiful pattern over here, and the idea is based on the format of Islamic garden, where you see is divided in four parts with these water channels, and you see this image of zigzag lines which could represent Zamzam from Mecca, and this green color, the pattern of flowers on it representing garden, which is coming from the feel of Medina is like that. So I decided to combine these two elements from two cities together and created this oasis-like space between the two holy cities. Historically, Zubaida's trail. Zubaida was wife of Harun Rashid, and so they made this trail for pilgrims who were coming for Hajj or Umrah from Iraq to Mecca, and they facilitate them by providing them water and these kind of spaces to rest. And since this is a Hajj terminal, so in that way it connects with that historic important event as well. The colors are very vibrant, which are the traditional color coming from the Pakistani culture and culture of many Islamic world. So this work is almost like celebrating Islamic art. Its vibrant colors, its festivity, its peaceful environment is all about how we celebrate our tradition and culture.